Welcome to the Carriage Commercial System video tutorials for VAS Online. In this video, we will review how to add new colors for vehicles within the color maintenance screen. These colors are going to be available in the Customer Contact Profile window for the employee to assign to customer vehicles. Tom wants to start a work order for a customer that has a green Ford Mustang. While looking on the customer profile, he realizes that the green color is not appearing in his vehicle color list. He needs to add the color via maintenance menu of the VAS Online software. The first thing that we need to do is click on the maintenance menu from the vertical toolbar of our VAS Online. You are going to scroll down to find the settings heading and you're going to click on the color maintenance tab. After this, the color window will display. Select vehicle from the color dropdown. The system will display all the vehicle colors available at the moment. To add a color that is not yet on the system, click on the Add New Color button from the lower right corner of the window. The Add Color window will appear. You're gonna fill up the blank spaces. Name and color are obligated fields. Type the name of the color on the field. Select the color option and the color value code will auto-populate. When you finish, click on the Save icon. The color now will be shown on the Colors window.